Hey, I'm Ryan Zamparelli, and this is my final project for TripleTen. It's called News Explorer. So, News Explorer is a responsive React app that lets users search for real-time news articles by keyword, view results in a clean card-based layout, and save articles to their account once authenticated. The main goal of this project was to build a production-ready front-end app using modern React patterns, clean component architecture, and real API integration while closely following a provided design spec. I'll start by showing the responsive layout. The app is fully responsive across desktop, tablet, and mobile breakpoints. The navigation adapts to smaller screens using a custom mobile menu with smooth CSS transitions. The app itself is built with React and React Router, and I broke the UI into reusable components like header, navigation, search form, modals, etc. Sometimes even components as small as this sign-in button. Global state such as authentication and user info is managed using React context. This allows components like the navigation to stay in sync without prop drilling. One of the core features is the search functionality. When a user enters a keyword and submits the form, the app makes a request to the NewsAPI using a custom search hook. I handle the loading states, empty results, and error states explicitly, so the user always gets clear feedback. Search results are rendered as cards, and I implemented a show more feature that progressively loads additional articles without refetching data. Pretty cool. Date formatting and API request logic are separated into utility helpers to keep the components clean and readable. The app also includes a full authentication flow using modal forms for sign up and sign in. If a user tries to save an article while logged out, they're prompted to sign in. Saved articles are accessible through a protected route. And on the saved articles page, users can view their saved content and layout. And the layout and navigation adapt to reflect the authenticated state. So as you can see up here, we just have the home and sign in button. And right now, all the data is hard coded, so I can just go ahead and type anything here. You see the sign in button becomes active. So now that we're logged in, I have a log out button and I can go to my saved articles page. Let's go ahead and save. Let's just save all of these and go check it out. Okay, so this is a protected route that you can only view in an authenticated state. So here it lists the keyword that you use to search it, and instead of a save button, you have a delete button. And we'll go ahead and log out. One challenge I faced was passing the News API key to the proxy server. The News API is only free when receiving requests from local hosts. To resolve this, I'm using a proxy server in production that was provided by TripleTen right here. I was using the XAPI key header in development, but I couldn't get the proxy server to accept the key from the request headers. So I just ended up appending the key to the end of the request URL right here instead. So overall, this project helped me strengthen my understanding of React component design, state management, and working with external APIs in a real-world context. The next step for this project is creating a RESTful API using Express and MongoDB. for persistent data and full stack functionality. News Explorer represents my ability to take a design, break it down into scalable components, and deliver a polished, responsive app. And that is my News Explorer app front end. Back ends to come. Thanks so much for watching.